how to see the right way. And once we learn how to see, we see it differently. I remember lecturing this poem once, and a young man who he and his father did not get on, they didn't have the same view of life. And the father came in that afternoon after another long, hard day of work, and for the first time, the young man reported the next day, I looked at my dad. I saw him different. For the first time in my life, I saw him different. I saw him with hooks in his lip. And I realized I'd put a bunch of them there. I'd caused him a lot of pain. I had to apologize. I just walked up to him and I said, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I caused you a lot of pain in your life. That's unforgivable. All I can do is say sorry and change. And the dad was like backed up. Son, is everything okay? Dude, it's a poem I read. It's a stupid poem. But let's be fair, it's a stupid poem. Why? Well, until you know how to read it, it doesn't mean anything. My student had said, dude, he let the fish go. That's awfully dumb. No. You missed the point of the poem. It's not dumb at all. It's called insight, perspicacity. You learn something. At 3B, two-part question. 1, do you have any hooks in your jaw already? Did you fight to get away? Or did you go ahead and get reeled in? And to what degree is every day a new opportunity to swim and fight against the getting caught? And the second question, what about the people in your life who have the most hooks? Who are those people? And who deserves the most respect? Who have you not given that respect to? And who will you maybe at some point begin to show that respect to? Hey, you're sophomores. It's time. It's time. You're not a child anymore. It's time to begin to realize there's a whole lot of people in your life with a whole lot of hooks in their jaw, and they deserve to be let go. They deserve that. And hopefully someday you will receive the same level of respect in your old age, assuming you get there. It's no small feat to make it to 30, to make it to 40, to make it to 50 and beyond. And to get there with some sense of purpose and meaning, whoa, dude, that is a hard thing to accomplish. We should respect those who have tried to do it. And for those who have tried and failed, give them the respect that hopefully they will give to you. Because every day is a new opportunity to go swimming and to go fishing. Well, there you go. The brilliant poem, The Fish. I hope you learned something.